Okay guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to get the supersonic boom from from the Super Hornet, the F-18 in the Microsoft Flight Simulator. So sit back, relax, we'll get into it after the intro.
Order 129, 170, 090, descend to maintain 3000. Descending 090, to maintain 3000, Order 129. Number 4518, speed 210, then maintain 4000.
210, then down to 4000.
Showing the 45, fly heading to 095, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff.
Okay guys, so when you first get in, you would see the world map. Now you could select any airport. I would suggest like a long airport. So I know a long airport is in JFK. It's not the longest, but it will do. So Kennedy Airport. Okay, well, I can't find it, so JFK. John Kennedy. That's actually weird that I can't find it. Just saw it. You good. So we'll just use Newark, Liberty. But you could also use LaGuardia or any other airport. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to use Kennedy. So I'll select what runway I want to start at. And then obviously you want to use your Super Hornet, the F-18, or any other plane, any other fighter jet that you have. So then after that, select departure. Like that. Okay, so I'll tune you guys in when I'm in the flight. Okay guys, so when you spawn in, what you want to do is you want to go here like this and go to the top here. You want to go to camera, click on that. Now you want to go to showcase. Now it's really important to remember what runway you started at. So I'm not really good with the settings with the free camera, but okay, there. So let me just increase the speeds, and I'll get to the other side of the runway. Drone speeds. So what you want to do is like get to the other side of the runway, right there, and then turn around like that. Oh, that is not what I meant to do. How do I go up? Okay, so up is R. Okay, so after that, whoa, that's weird. Everything is locked. Wait a minute. From now. Okay. That is not. I don't know what's wrong with the camera, but let me just go reset position. That is weird. It's not letting me. Oh, because I'm in slew mode. Yeah, there we go. So there we go, and then okay, now just go back a bit if it let. What is wrong with the slew modes? What's wrong with the free camera? Okay, there we go. Okay, well, that'll have to do. To the camera, and then you want to go back to external. Then you just want to take off. So I'm going to turn on afterburners. Ooh. There you go, afterburner is set. Oh, what's happening? So guys, pretty much, you want to, oh, this is a problem. There we go, that's good. So, and you really want to remember what runway you put it at. And then you need to focus over here where it says Mach. So I'm going to turn around over here. So as I said, you want to focus on the Mach level over there. And then, so I know that my thing is over there. So I'm just going to slow down. And then, ooh. So I'm in line with my where I set it at. Now you want to go here, go to showcase, go back, and then I should see my plane coming in. Oh, it's right there. Oh, okay. So as you can see, I didn't set it well, but when you set it, you should be able to see it perfectly fine. Bear the sonic boom, but you can also see it like this. Wait for it, and then it should go. Because what happened? See, like that. There. That's the sonic boom. So that's the easier way, but with that you can't really hear the the boom. So with the camera that I told you guys about, that's how you could hear the boom. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. Today's video was quite a short one. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.